I haven't shown you a lot of attention in regards to finding out where you're going to school and, all these things. I judge you wrongfully before me ask you what is happening in your life. You understand? So I don't know if you're having a rough life with your friends them, not having friends, can't go places and all these things. You can answer me, You understand? Me stop me and me know if me have, cause me's the uncle and your sister Ponce. She left me to take care of you more and know so you're alright. For me woman which is your step auntie, she kinda me know so not close either. So it kinda hard for you. You understand? But there's a lot of stuff been going on where just way me go run bar and all these things, but me not feel so me fi go run bar no more.
I'm glad you come back to your senses then.
Yeah man, cause you see sometimes when you go certain places and people see every day them take advantage of you, used to is a hell of a thing. You understand? And certain things me not really want, come on from my hand. So I go send it along there for me. The girl work named Janet. That's still Janet say. Your uncle.
Uncle, what you just said to me a while ago,
What do you mean, what me say? Me know
No,
everything
you
me
just
say.
say. What you say a while ago?
Me nah go back down there, me I'll send you.
Who you go send go down
Me
there?
nah stop drink.